Hello, I'm Joanne Turner reporting from Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and I'm with Stefano Pileri from Italtel. Stefano, welcome. So you're back at Mobile World Congress this year with a bigger than ever booth, and perhaps you can start by telling us some sort of company updates, key messages that you're communicating here this week.
Good morning. Yes, three messages mainly. The first one is that we are following the trend of industry with our innovation in virtualization and automation of networks. Virtualization means the needs to transform traditional network in data center network function virtualization. All the network elements are becoming software to run in centralized or distributed data center, and the networks are changing now. Beside, there is the concept of automation. You know that margins in our industry are a little bit tough to be reached, and this means that the operation of the networks have to be very lean and very low cost. This means that we have to automatize the operation, thanks to the software-defined networking with software modules that can control broader part of the networks and avoid human touch in the networks. This is the first innovation, and in this direction we are proposing here in Mobile World Congress our virtualized and cloud-ready session border controller for network interconnection and the cloud-ready communication system for business customers. The second important trend is Internet of Things. All the booths in the FIRA are Internet of Things full of innovation and technologies. It is true, from one side, the evolution towards 5G in the networks, and the other side, the evolution of smart objects, sensors, smart objects like smart cars, things, and so on, have to be connected and can be connected. So Internet of Things industry is ready and will tremendously grow in the next years. We developed our IoT platform to collect data from sensors and to organize those data, opening the interface for third parties application. We are now working on three verticals. The first one is the smart health, e-health vertical. It means that we are using data from wearable sensors in our body, and we collect those data. But the innovative things here that is we are integrating sensor data and contextual communication in order to be very easily in contact with a specialist, a doctor that can analyze the data and follow together with us the evolution of the care or something similar. The second vertical is the smart metering. You know that efficiency in energy is very important, and now metering like energy metering or water metering or gas metering is very important, and we are important development in this field. And finally, the third important innovation is in the field of analytics and big data. Why? Because now we have available tons of data. It seems that can be considered too many. So again, software have to be helpful to help to extract gold from data. And this is important, and we applied this principle to help a network telecom operator for reducing the churn of their customers. Taking advantage of more than 100 kind of data, we try to help salespersons, marketing department, and also the CIO of the company to focus campaign to reduce the churn and avoid the churn for mobile operator. That is very important. Those are the three main important innovations, no? Virtualization, Internet of Things, big data, and analytics.
Okay, so also within that, you are seeing a change in the service providers and how their business models are changing. How are you reacting to that within Italtel?
We are at the same wavelength of our customers because we recognize and we would like to help them. We recognize the need to be very innovative but very efficient. No? So very efficient means, I told before, virtualize and reduce the complexity of the networks. Virtualization means to run a network, to have a network based on standard hardware. It's very important, no? So we are very close to our customers in reaching this target. But in the other way, we would like to help telecom operators in simplifying the traditional network. Especially big networks are based on many layers that came from many generations of technologies. Many years ago in transmission we had SDH. In the big network, SDH is still on the network since 20, 25, even 30 years before. In the telecom network we have today the old switching technologies in fixed mainly, but also in the mobile. And now it's needed to accelerate the decommissioning of those old technologies in the modern network. Network decommissioning projects, network simplification projects are very important, and to do this project successfully we need project management, and it's okay, but also important dedicated software tools to help those transformation and simplification of the network. To do this, we think to be as Italtel ideal partners because we have strong technology capabilities and also strong software capability in order to develop tools that are not standard, no? Are customized case by case depending on network architecture, network structure, and the network evolution.
Okay, and maybe sort of more of a viewpoint from you on one of the key topics that is also here this week is digital transformation, particularly as everything is becoming more connected and IoT is emerged. Perhaps you can give us your viewpoint on digital transformation, how Italtel will play a part in that.
It's really the most important things in our industry because it is true that our revenues and our margins are not so brilliant so far in the telecommunication industry, For Italtel was good because we growth 10% last year respect to the year before, but in general the industry is continuing to see some threat. No, so digital transformation is the new things in the industry because it have to be applied not only in our industry naturally, but in particular in many different industries like manufacturing, agriculture, services naturally, but also healthcare, government, energy. But all the industry will be deeply transformed because of digitalization. So it is a good opportunity. In particular, I would like to highlight one particular point: manufacturing. No? Manufacturing 4.0 is the idea that means the fourth industrial revolution will be the full automatization and the full connectivity among plants, among the offices of the industry, among the suppliers, among the customers. All have to be connected. Why? Because if I connect my industry with the customers, I can get helpful ideas how to evolve my product. If I connect my industry with my suppliers, I can easily produce when is needed, okay, and get the things that I need when I need, without build important warehouses, okay. And third, if I connect my plants, my industry with the information technology, I can take advantage of my enterprise research programming system and the plant management system to produce better, on time, with a mass production that is customized. Mass customized production. This is the idea of manufacturing 4.0. For my country, Italy, is very important because my country is the second producer in manufacturing of Europe after Germany. And now I think that we need a plan. This plan will last 15 years in digitalization, full digitalization of our manufacturing industry. I think that it is a good opportunity.
Stefano, thanks for your time today.
Thank you very much. Bye.